Okay, so getting back into this drawing here, and I'm just being a little bit more specific and marking locations in the eye socket there where the eye cover fold would be, and those superciliary arches there. I put in a little more information, and like I said, I'm just adding a little bit to the last drawing, to the last video. And in a minute here, or a second, I'll be putting in some value. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some tone into the masses, right? And in a mass, if you guys don't know what a mass is a shape of tone. Okay, so you might want to write that down. Mass is a shape of tone. Okay, and I could ask you, well, what is a shape? Interesting to think about these things sometimes, but a shape is simply a flat enclosed area. That's all it is. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in the tone here in all of my shapes, and I'm just trying to keep the tone flat. You could see I put a little brushwork in here and there just for fun, but overall my mindset is focused on keeping the structure, maintaining the structure, and also keeping the value flat. And if you think about it on a scale of, let's say, like 1 to 9, I'm trying to keep the shadows around a 7, something like that. And I try to maintain this thought process through each thing. So I discipline myself. I try to stay out of the lights and just stick with those big shapes. Okay, there's that keystone wedge we talked about before, and I'm just cleaning those shapes up a little bit. If you guys can practice that, you are going to be golden. Okay, working on this kind of block in stage and then putting in the masses and maintaining that thought process. I'm not going in the lights at all, right? So really all I want is one value for the lights, which would be the paper, and one value for the shadows, right? Which I said I'm trying to maintain that kind of 7 value. And marking about where the hairline is. Now this is a generic head. This isn't an actual model or anything. I draw these from memory, and they're good practice. So hopefully that'll help you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.